Welcome back to the 100 Bob Showdown, episode 2. If you're new here, 100 Bob is pure Kenyan pocket change, the kind of money you spend on daily snacks, tea, or a quick commute. And we are here to prove the exact same loose change is all you need to start investing on the Hisa app. Today we've got brand new stocks, tougher matchups, and 2 contestants, Beverly and Leah, going head to head in a battle of higher or lower. Can everyday street items actually cost more than fractional shares in global giants? Let's find out. Who should start today?
Beverly.
My sweetheart here.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
On 3, after
On
3.
On
Okay.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Yes,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yes,
Rock, paper, scissors. You've not rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
After 3.
Okay, then rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, sawa.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You see? Oh, so it's me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today we're doing international stocks.
Okay.
That should be easy for you guys. We are starting with the ultimate Nairobi street staple, a smoky pasua with kachumbari. So that goes for 50 shillings. Compare that to Starbucks, the global coffee giant.
Yeah.
Is your favorite street side smoky higher or lower than 40 cents of Starbucks stock on the Hisa app?
It's lower.
Are you sure? What would be your estimate if you were to?
May say it's lower, but my estimate. That's just it's lower.
Bev,
50 shillings.
Bev, do you think she's correct?
No, I don't think so.
Okay,
It's higher.
that's correct.
Yay.
Yeah, so one Starbucks stock goes for $0.40, which is roughly 52 shillings. Bev, this question is for you. So today we're comparing bone soup versus stock of Coca-Cola.
Bone soup. Okay. Bone soup pia na depend ni ya wapi, but
A cup. Nairobi's legendary hangover cure. A hot steaming mug of bone soup for 80 shillings. Let's pit it against Coca-Cola, one of the most famous brands on earth. Is your hot mug of local soup higher or lower than 60 cents of Coke on Hisa?
if it's higher or lower than the 60 cents,
Yeah,
it's higher
it's higher.
than 60 cents.
Okay.
I
You
believe so.
know, I already give you the answer in a way.
Kidogo. It's
Kidogo.
higher.
That's not fair.
How is that not fair?
Because you're giving her the answer.
I didn't give her the answer.
See,
Where's the
you
answer?
just admitted I just gave her the answer.
Acha
No.
nipe answer.
I haven't given her the answer. She could be wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
But she's correct.
Clock it.
So your local soup is worth slightly more than a share bite of Coke.
So you'd rather buy a share of Coke?
Than
Yeah.
bone soup.
Yeah.
Or rather you just not drink so that you don't have a hangover?
Then you can
Exactly.
buy the shares.
Yeah.
You buy the shares on Hisa.
Don't drink. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So round 2, the afternoon fuel. We're matched up 1-1.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get some wrong answers. Yes.
It's in my genius.
Exactly.
What do you mean?
I don't know what do you mean by wrong answers over
Eh.
here.
Yeah. There has to be a winner then.
How? We're both winners in life.
Exactly.
Okay. Let's see if you'll win this one. You grab a warm CBD dawati in town for 250 shillings to clear your throat after a night out, sherehe. Over on Hisa, we have the ultimate entertainment powerhouse, Disney. Is your warm cup of dawa higher or lower than a Disney stock?
Like one full Disney stock.
Yeah.
I'd say it's the Dawati is higher. if it's up to 50 shillings. Yeah.
Why do you think so?
See, you're asking me questions. Why are you asking questions? You can't ask me 2 questions. It is 1 question.
Do you think your opponent is correct?
No, she's not.
She's not correct.
Yeah.
But she is.
Haters. Haters.
Yeah, I guess.
Well.
Get you the mejificha pande na kwa.
So
How much is a Disney stock?
It's pretty close. The Dawa tea is 250 shillings. And 1 share of Disney is $1.90, which is roughly 246 shillings. You know, if you guys continue in this space, we'll have to go to a tiebreaker, and we don't want that.
You just come. Hit us. Hit us.
So
Give us your worst.
If I end up losing, it's because I want her to win. That's just putting it out.
Haters. That's what they say.
okay, we'll see about that. So contestant B for Bev, will be comparing chips na sausage with a stock of Nike. The classic city lunch, a plate of chips and a sausage. Let's say you've gone for swimming when you're a kid.
Yeah.
You're getting a Fanta, chips and sausage. But right now we're focusing on chips and sausage.
Okay.
Costing 220 shillings. Let's compare that to Nike, the brand behind the world's most iconic sneakers. Is your lunch plate higher or lower than a Nike stock on Hisa?
My lunch is... It's lower.
It's lower.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Do you think she's correct?
I think it's lower.
I don't think so.
You guys are not good sportsmen.
So you're the one who's so nice. You're pitching us against each other.
Yeah, but I'm an instigator. So
Yeah.
Imagine.
Let it be known that you said Nike has the most.
has the most?
You just said the iconic sneakers.
Yeah,
Like
the most iconic sneakers.
Nike.
Yeah,
Your
you beg to
taste.
differ.
Yeah. But anyway.
Am I right or wrong?
You're correct. It's lower. The lunch plate.
Enemies of progress.
The lunch plate of chips and sausage is 220 shillings, and a stock of Nike is $1.75, which is roughly 226.
Yeah.
So she can buy me Nikes.
Yeah.
Tusha bet.
So
Nikes are not even nice. They won't look good on you. And
you're more of an Adidas fan.
Party.
no New Balance. Okay, but I also
Balance
like Adidas
anytime.
because there is Sambas, like especially Sambas are such a classic shoe. Like you can wear Sambas with almost anything.
Oh, okay.
And then there's now the Samba chains, the cuties, and Pumas. As in, what do you mean Nike? Nike is gym shoes.
So we're going into the final round, and if you guys tie again, there will be a tiebreaker.
All right.
And before we actually go to the next round, remember the loser has to buy a stock for the other person.
The stock of their own choice. Right?
No. Okay.
What do you mean?
The one that they get wrong, they have to buy that for. the other
But what if I
person.
don't want that one? See, maybe I want...
Has to be then equivalent. We can do maybe equivalent to
that one.
whatever. Hakuna kuchukua
Up
kwa
the
stock ya
stakes.
sijui $500.
Up the stakes. Put money on the game. Bring physical money.
Okay, round 3. So round 3 focuses on household and tech. Advanced round, where the margins are razor thin, like this. So for you, it's very hard, like that, almost the same.
You just want to scare me.
So 1 kg of premium sugar in the supermarket is 160 shillings.
Okay.
On the other hand, Amazon, the king of global e-commerce, is around the same price. Is that bag of sugar higher or lower than Amazon stock on Hisa?
It's lower.
It's lower. Do you think you're correct?
Yeah.
Do you think she's correct? And you're right, she's not correct.
How much is one?
Put the money in.
I'm quick. You don't believe in yourself?
Anambea stocks.
You don't believe in yourself?
Anambea stocks. Na anambea viatu. 90.
So,
Fraud.
the answer is higher. The sugar is 160 shillings. One share of Amazon goes for $1.20, which is roughly 155 shillings.
But that was so close.
Yeah,
So close.
so close. But
That
remember,
is-
you're still tied out.
Why?
Yeah, because we haven't gone to you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
To lose.
So if you get this wrong, tiebreaker. If you win this,
Let's see what it. Okay, if I win,
you won the game.
Oh.
We won't go to the tiebreaker.
Just lose. Seriously. For me. Lose for me.
nione kando.
Okay, it's gonna be hard. This one.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. That one is hard.
Nikuachie.
And yeah, check.
So Bevan, to stay in this, you need to nail this.
Okay.
A roll of heavy-duty kitchen foil at the supermarket is 290 shillings. Let's put it against Meta, the tech giant behind Instagram and WhatsApp. Is that simple kitchen foil higher or lower than Meta stock?
The foil is lower.
Lower? Do you think she's correct? Do you think you'll go to the tiebreaker round?
Yeah, I think we'll go to the tiebreaker round.
Well, I do not think we'll go to the tiebreaker round because Beverly got that right.
Suffering.
I'm suffering, guys.
So it's lower. The kitchen foil is 290 shillings.
Also, where do you shop? Where is foil 290?
No, where do you shop?
Heavy duty. Na difference.
Unless ni ile ya catering. Ile ya
Yeah, that one is like almost
ile
100.
ile hapa kwa nyumba ya kwanga 160
Yeah,
bob.
catering ni almost 1500.
Ina kwanga 160 bob.
Depends on also.
Wewe unaendanga kushop wapi?
No, you bargain.
Supermarket, Carrefour. Guys, come here.
Ulichukua ile the cheapest. Yes,
So-
heavy duty.
It's lower.
Duty mnafanya nini nayo?
The kitchen foil is 290 shillings and stock of Meta is $2.25, which is roughly 291.
So, but see, then I misread the wrong thing. Because if you said, she said the stock is,
I said it's lower. That
said
was
lower.
my answer.
Yeah.
yeah, but you said it's 291. It's higher.
No, 291 is...
Is lower than 290.
no, like the kitchen foil is
lower.
Is it higher or lower than the stock?
Okay.
Yeah. Episode 2's winner goes to Beverly. And you know what that means.
Shanko na vigelegele.
You have to buy Beverly a stock.
Thank you very much.
So I buy you a stock of, what did I? No, that's not what I lost.
Amazon.
Okay, Amazon.
Abi. Oh, for 200.
Ama, you want to buy like 100 stocks.
Eh,
It's like,
I wouldn't mind Meta na
nione
Amazon.
kando. Nione nyuma yabo.
Nataka evidence ikue captured. Hapa kinunua. Huyo anakuanga mkora. Evidence. But she's buying.
so
I will buy.
you will buy her a stock on Hisa.
Yes.
You're going to do that.
Yes, I'll buy her a stock of Amazon on Hisa. And you can also do the same for the ones you lost.
On
Oh.
Hisa.
You see, if someone is watching and they were playing the game, they should also buy the ones they lost on Hisa.
Hisa.
On Hisa too.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So thank you all for watching.
Thank
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye.